In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini to create a logo and make a video ad. An easy and straightforward process that will help you enhance your digital content effortlessly. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're at the home page, type Google Gemini into the search bar. This is your first step toward accessing Gemini, the platform we'll be using today to create dynamic digital materials. After your search yields results, look for the official Google Gemini website and then give it a click to enter the world of creative possibilities. Upon entering the Gemini platform, you'll need to create a prompt. Since our goal is to design a logo for a coffee shop, your prompt might simply be, "Make me a logo for my coffee shop." This tells Gemini exactly what you're looking to create. After crafting this prompt, locate and click on the Submit button to process your request. Gemini will generate an image based on your specifications, offering a tailored logo that reflects your creative brief. Once the logo appears, you'll want to retain a copy of it. Right-click on the image and select the option to copy it. It's as simple as that. Now armed with your new logo, you're ready to take the next step. Navigate back on the Gemini platform and initiate a new chat. Think of this like opening a fresh canvas, ready to receive your copied logo. Paste your logo into this new chat, ensuring everything transfers over correctly. With your logo in place, it's time to create an ad around it. In the chat, generate another prompt. Make an ad for this logo. This prompt sets the stage for Gemini to come up with something eye-catching and effective, using the logo as the focal point. To further refine your project, click on the Tools option. This feature gives you additional capabilities necessary for elevating your creative assets. After opening the Tools menu, select Create Videos with VO. It's here that your ad begins to take on a life of its own, as VO helps you transform your logo into an engaging video advertisement. Finally, after you've set all your options and feel satisfied with the visuals, hit the Submit button one last time. This submission finalizes your creative work, wrapping up the process of using Gemini to craft both a logo and a video ad. Congratulations! You've just navigated through the Gemini platform, harnessing its powerful tools to create content that stands out. With these steps, you're well equipped to repeat the process anytime you need fresh visuals or engaging video content. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating!